Here we have f of x equal to sine inverse of log x square by 2 to the base 2. We have to find the domain of this function. Obviously, sine inverse means whatever is this part, this has to lie between minus 1 and plus 1, because sine should always lie between minus 1 and 1, right? Sine inverse of 2, sine inverse of 4 is not possible, right? So the condition is this part should lie between minus 1 and plus 1. At the same time, log x square by 2 should be defined. That means x square by 2 should be greater than 0. Okay, so firstly, minus 1 should be less than or equal to log 2 x square by 2 should be less than or equal to 1. What does that mean? 2 power minus 1 should be less than or equal to x square by 2 should be less than or equal to 2 power 1. Okay, half should be less than or equal to x square by 2 should be less than or equal to 2. Right, that means 2 by 2. If we are multiplying with 2 on all the three terms, we'll get 1 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 4. This is this is one part of the story. What does that mean? X square should be less than or equal to 4. What does that mean? Minus 2 should lie between x lie between 4. Right. Similarly, x square should be greater than or equal to 1. This part. What does that mean? X should be greater than or equal to 1, or x should be less than or equal to minus 1. So basically, if we have to draw the number line, we are getting minus 2, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2. Okay. X should lie between minus 2 and plus 2. This is as per this condition. One condition is stating this as per this condition. The second condition is stating x should be greater than or equal to 1. That is this part of the story. Or x is less than or equal to 1. Okay. We are not including this part to the left of minus 2 because anyway it will not satisfy this. Okay. So what is the net solution? Minus 2 to minus 1. Minus 2 to minus 1. Close the brackets union. 1 to okay, in all these cases, x square is definitely greater than 0, right? Because it is x square and 0 is not at 1. Minus 2 to 1 in this case is also greater than 0, and this also is greater than 0. Okay. So, for example, if you take something like 0, then it will not satisfy this equation, right? 0 square is less than 1. It cannot be greater than 1, right? Or 0.1 square. It cannot be greater than 1. So that's why we have first chosen x square is less than or equal to 4. That means this entire range minus 2 to plus 2. Then x square is greater than 1. That means x can be greater than 1 or x can be less than minus 1. Okay, so what is the common area? Minus 2 to minus 1 to plus 1 to plus 2. Very simple problem. Here we just used the range of sine function, and we didn't even need to use that logarithm has to be positive because this is anyway positive. Right, yes.